just entered the suite, the room with the private pool, 404 error that we stayed at in Westin Sona.
Hello.
Hi.
This is the suite where we stayed.
Hello friends.
So it's extremely spacious and I really like that. My favorite thing about it is this strange ottoman seat table multi-purpose piece of furniture, which is very cool. There's a couch area where we had lunch yesterday, and also super spacious, and I'm pretty sure like someone could sleep there if they had to. So you could fit a lot of people.
Go and lie down.
This is how big it is. Like I can easily, yeah, look at that. Plenty of space.
You can do yoga on this.
You can do yoga on this. You can totally. Actually, we did do yoga. We put both of our yoga mats in this area here.
Right here. We moved this table and then this table.
And then we put both of our yoga mats here like that, and we set our tripod up over there with the camera.
Yeah.
And then we just kept the speaker in between, and it was like the perfect size and the perfect ambience and everything. Okay, so like luggage room, which is really, really helpful because you don't have your crap scattered everywhere, and I don't know, clutter gives you like a very claustrophobic feeling. So if all the clutter is like kept in one place, then it's both manageable, it's easy to find things, and it isn't all over your living space either, which is like helpful. Okay, this is the most comfortable bed in the entire world. Like I don't even miss my own bed because this is so comfortable, and these are the world's greatest pillows, just really amazing pillows.
But it's a problem for someone with a heavy set like mine because you kind of sink into the bed.
Which is exactly why I like it, because you sink into it and it's very comfortable, and you know, had a good night's sleep there. Yeah, so actually got some work done at this desk, managed to be fairly productive. The bathroom has 2 sinks, which is useful. When we did our little face mask spa treatment thing, we each had our own sink. There are a lot of towels here because we went through a hell of a lot of towels with the pool and everything. So yeah, separate shower, and it's a rain shower, which is always a nice touch.
And this is the highlight of the room, as one might call it.
Yeah, people would say that this is the highlight. We had a lot of fun with the pool. Unfortunately, it wasn't as warm as I would have liked, so the water was pretty cold, but we were having fun, so we managed to stick around in the pool for a fair bit. It's not looking its best right now because there was rain and a bit of wind and stuff, so I think a lot of like debris and leaves have fallen in it.
But you call the...
Yeah, they just come and net it out for you.
Yeah, they just pick out all the things that are floating on or inside the pool, and then...
The toothbrush is a little strange, but the toothbrush is there because there was a fly that was stuck in the water and I had to take it out. So that's why there's a toothbrush there.
It says no diving, not diving.
Like, in case you were wondering if you could dive or not, there's a helpful sign letting you know that 4 feet is not enough to dive.
So initially this is where the pool chairs, what are these called? Deck chairs. But we moved them here. I don't know.
And this was lovely. Like we just sat here for a while and had some music on, and probably like disturbed the people next door. But it was nice.
It was. All in all, lovely holiday, lovely stay.
Yeah, we had a really nice holiday. Now we're going home, which is also awesome because we get to see everybody again. But we had a really nice time, and I feel refreshed and ready to get back to work.